ClearWeld is a crystal clear, quick-setting, two-part epoxy adhesive formulated for strong, permanent repairs. For the strongest bond, roughen or score the bonding area with coarse sandpaper and ensure that the area is clean. Next, remove the resealable cap and gently push the plunger until you see small, even amounts of both sides flowing. Discard this initial amount to ensure a proper mix. Now, with both sides flowing freely, dispense the desired amount of ClearWeld onto the mixing tray or another disposable surface. Using the stir stick, thoroughly mix the two parts together for at least 1 full minute. After mixing thoroughly, apply a generous amount of ClearWeld to the repair. Unlike thin superglues, epoxy creates a superior bond when applied generously, filling gaps and maximizing contact. Keep the repair in place for 5 minutes. After an hour, the bond is cured. For long-lasting, clear repairs, choose ClearWeld.
J.B. Weld, world's strongest bond.